All right, it's a training week, so started up the coffee. Got to get all the computers cranked up, all the trainers cranked up, find all those exciting unplanned learning opportunities. But yeah, I know I did a video on this, and this has been an awesome new feature to it. Is once everything's going, this should have green on both sides and show nothing. And there we go. Now that just means all the devices are ready to go for the week. No question, am I ready to go for the week? Yeah, usually the morning of, especially Monday morning, we'll want to coffee up so we can get good and revved up. And then also, I actually review each person that is coming to the class. So you can't sign up online. One, because I want to make sure that the class is a good fit for you, but also so I can learn about what you're hoping to accomplish. And so, yeah, I kind of review that. That way it's fresh on my mind. That way we can make sure by the end of the week, you've accomplished your goal. Well, it's actually the afternoon now or the evening, and incredibly good group, which will make for a great week. But really went through the basics of PLC programming. We learned about discrete wiring, and we'll do it again tomorrow. Not a lot, I guess today's video is a little bit light, but I need to get off here and actually record a video about the semi PE.